friends, in this question we'll solve a question of depreciation, and earlier we did a question that was a simple one. This will be a little more complicated than the other one. So I'll read out the question first. Prepare a spreadsheet in MX Excel which accept cost of asset, life of asset, method of depreciation and the salvage value as inputs and produce a comparative schedule for depreciation in the following format. Cost of asset is rupees 2 lakh, life of asset is 3 years, salvage value is 20,000, months in the first year is 10, and the appreciation method is select method, and we have to create an fixed asset account in which there will be year, opening balance, depreciation, and closing balance. So first we'll create this table including cost of asset, salvage value, life of asset, month in the first year, and depreciation method. Here in these three columns, that is life of asset, month, and dep, we'll create a drop down list. So we'll go to data validation, allow list, and in the source table life of asset, here we are taking it to the maximum, that is for 40 years. So we'll select and enter. And for months of the year also we have to create a drop down. So data validation, list, and source table, here we'll select till 12. Okay. And for the depreciation method, again drop down, data validation, list, and in the source table we'll select our table SLN or DB, enter. I'll select the values in this SLN. Month in the first year, that is given, wait, what did I do here? Maybe there's a mistake, so again data validation. Oh, only this. We'll select the source table till 12. Okay, I hope so it's correct. 10, and life of the asset will choose 40. Yeah. So now here is first year will be same, the opening balance will be equal to cost of asset, and now the function for from the second year we have to apply bin function also. So be very careful. If month of the year, I will first fix this value, is less than 12, and again if A10 is less than B4 plus 1, here we'll fix this B4 as it's gonna be same in the whole table, B4 plus 1, then it will be A10 plus 1 or else empty cells. Okay, here we'll close this, and again f function. Okay, if A10 is greater than, okay wait, if A10 is less than B4, we'll fix this value, then it will be A10 plus 1 or else empty cells. We have given some mistakes. Oh, we had applied F. Okay. Now we'll drag this value. Here we have to fix some values now. Yeah, we have fixed. It will appear till 40. Yeah, 41. Okay. Now for the depreciation in the first year, it will be if this, that is B6, and we'll fix this value, is equals to SLN, then we'll apply the formula of SLN. that is, wait, then SLN, cost of asset, we'll fix this value, salvage and life of asset for 40 years. Okay, and also in the first, the month in the first year is 10, so we'll multiply or divide this to month divided by 12. Now close. And now if it is dB for diminishing method, the formula is cost, salvage, life, and the period is first year, and the month is 10 months. Close bracket, enter. Okay. Now the depreciation for the next years will be, very careful again, if first the function will be if A11 is equals to blank, then it will be empty, or else if A11 is less than life of asset, we'll fix this value plus 1, then again if method is equals to SLN, then we'll apply the formula of SLN, that will be cost, we'll fix this value, salvage, we'll fix this value, life, again we'll fix this value, bracket closed, and if it is dB, then the function for this is cost, fix this value, salvage, fixed it, life, fixed it, period will be changing, so we'll not fix this, and there will be no months. Okay, now if it was here it was if A11 is less than B4 plus 1, or else if it's not, then again we'll apply if B6 is equals to uh, SLN, then SLN is equals to cost, fix this value, salvage, fix this value, life, fix this value. And now what we have to do is, remember this will be for the last, that particular 41 years, so the month for that will be 10, so we'll multiply this by 10 divided by, and we'll fix this value 12, bracket closed, and if it is dB, the function will be cost, by fixing this method, salvage value, life, and the period will be 11, and the month will be 12 minus 10 in that particular, and we'll fix this. Okay, now close all the brackets carefully, this will be 4. Okay, so now opening balance, we know the function for this, if A11 is equals to empty, then it will be empty, or else previous closing balance, enter. And for the closing balance, the function is if A10 is equals to empty, then it will be empty, or else opening minus dab will be our closing balance. Now we'll drag these. Okay, wait. See, we'll drag the depreciation. Now see, why we applied that formula for the last if function is opening balance, they will be like for 2 months, and same the 41st year will be for 2 months. So that's why we divide month by 12, and in dB we minus that from 12. So yeah, now this is done. We can also check if our drop down is working or not, like if we change the life of asset that was asked in the question for 3 years, then it will be something like this. Okay, and if we change the method, that is dB, it will change. Okay, so the question is done now. The complications here in this question arises in when we have to put this a wala column. To remember, there will be three if functions. Firstly, we'll check the month if it's less than 12. Then we'll check if a11 is less than b4 plus 1, so it will be a10 plus 1 or else empty. And in the other if function will show if it's less than 40 only, then what will be the function. Opening and closing balance will be like what we did in the loan and lease accounting. If a11 is blank, then it will remain blank, or else opening will be previous closing balance. And for the closing balance, if a11 is blank, then it will be empty, or else opening minus depreciation. Depreciation in the first month will be very simple कि, if this implies method is SLN, so SLN का formula will choose and will divide the month in the first year by 12, and for the DB will choose. And the complications arises when we have to drop down these list from 2 to 41 years. So here, how many if functions we have to apply? सबसे पहले if A11 is blank, then we'll have a blank empty cells, and then we'll check if A11 is less than b4 plus 1, तो और if a11 is SLN, तो SLN का फंक्शन लगा देंगे एंड DB का फंक्शन लगा देंगे. एंड अगेन इफ a11 was greater than b4 plus 1, तो क्या होगा कि SLN का फॉर्मूला लगेगा, बट यहाँ पे इंटू करेंगे हम this divided by 12, एंड फिर DB में भी will do the same 12 minus for the month वाला period 12 minus 10, that will be for 2 months. So this is all in depreciation question. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you.